The GLAKER Hair Clippers GLK-2000 is an all-in-one kit that includes both a powerful clipper and a precision trimmer, making it ideal for both home use and professional barbers. Equipped with a robust motor that runs at 6,500 revolutions per minute, this clipper can effortlessly cut through even the thickest hair without any snagging. With an adjustable fade lever and a variety of guide combs, this clipper ensures precise blending and short cuts, making it perfect for fading and styling. The clippers boast an impressive battery life, lasting up to 150 minutes on a single charge, and the LED display keeps you informed about power levels and charging status. For safe charging, it is crucial to use a 5-volt 1-ampere adapter to avoid triggering the overvoltage protection, which would prevent charging. This professional set includes premium accessories such as a storage bag, barber cape, comb, cleaning brush, and USB cables, enhancing its convenience and usability.